Welcome and thank you for joining the conversation on Math Curiosities. Today's question is, why is 0 to the power of 0 undefined? 0 to the power of 0 is an exponential number where this 0 is the base and this 0 on top is the exponent. We know that any number brought to the power of 0 would equal 1. For example, this positive number to the power of 0 would equal 1. This negative number to the power of 0 would equal 1. This very large number to the power of 0 equals 1. This very small number brought to the power of 0 would equal 1. This complicated fraction brought to the power of 0 equals 1, and any number to the power of 0 equals 1 except for 0 to the power of 0. So why is that? Recall that there are three main exponent laws we use. The first one is the product law that helps us multiply two exponential numbers. So we say a to the power of m times a to the power of n equals a to the power of m plus n. So we add the exponents. Next, we have the quotient law that helps us divide two exponential numbers. A to the power of m divided by a to the n equals a to the power of m minus n. And last is the power law. A to the power of m power n equals a to the power of mn, which helps us bring an exponential number to a certain power. Now let's take a look at the exponential number 0 to the power of 0. So if we write 0 to the power of 0, we can imagine it be also expressed as 0 to the power of some number m, take away m. So instead of number 0, we'll write m minus m, which is equivalent to 0. According to the quotient law, 0 to the power of m minus m then must equal 0 to the power of m divided by 0 to the power of m. Or in other words, 0 to the power of m over 0 to the power of m. Now 0 to the power of m means that we are multiplying 0 by itself many times, or m times. And no matter how many times we multiply 0 by itself, the answer will always be 0. And the same thing with the denominator. Therefore, the simplified form of 0 to the power of 0 will be 0 to the m over 0 to the m, or 0 divided by 0. And division by 0 is undefined. And that's the reason why 0 to the power of 0 is undefined. I hope this made sense, and I'll see you next time.